mwancho morigereria bwen soko TV borusu bomugusi ndigongo kwani kurwanda onsi asore asubut kubuiga bweri tukerigarie 15 asomutinyo mutangani mwaka wechili pubera 2025 no muno kugena kware buna kwagenderero bya kurwanda onsi asore ebeni gori mense gose isko inseto ya Kenya na boigo asoko andira kugwate merubere yonsi imien soko kurwa chinsa 12 cheke mambi go ikeraboniga asubut kubuingo kwarigania elio ochiko yanyora amaya senchira yubwekera nubuna basaki baito bayariganire aseri tukorigima erikweneki nanko ikirare ase enchira eri engikera nukigima nabo kwemanya ali agenderete gokoragana kurwa se chinsemo aongo kwarigane tusanga sobwamo go chakera bono gwikomwe eryo gwetera senchira yo mutandao gwekerero asensemo ya Facebook nabo gasensemo eriende ya YouTube Ensoko TV tuchake asobwamo ine yango turaliri naralialia nkwariye nete asobot kuba bono gwetera senchira yoko ya chutia Ezekiel Machogunero tanga ina seganga yokurigekero kyobo governor se county ya Kisii korengana nobo tukibwe kyombe gyaka.
If the election was carried today, as at the time we carried the survey, the candidate who could emerge victorious is the former CS for Education, Ezekiel Machogu, who gets 1,170 out of the 3,000 people who interviewed.
Omurai wense William Ruto nigaruro kuboria gwokubeka siasa nsema erigosu kiense ya Kenya bosio.
And I want to give you my assurance ya kwamba politics aside, we must move this country forward and we need to work together. And I am determined, no part of Kenya, no community in Kenya, no region in Kenya is going to be left behind.
A lot of the students from the past, they want to pursue the aviation sector. One of the sector, what I definitely think and what China is promoting heavily, especially in UAE, is low altitude economy. That is the drone technology.
Aboro kiwa bo Burundi bwechindege bense ya Kenya konyora amagerio eri gukinyo bumanyi bwabo. Karibu mwanchumuri yetu ya nyamare amaya senchira yobwe kano liriteriane Ishmael Mogere asobo chakarobo tukuba bono dorini muranya kundigwe myaka 20 korwa nyegete wodi ya bumwaga mense mu yebunge ya North Mugrango birale magega yokwege no musanyo ye kumugachira chibese chengeri ya kararinge asense ya Lebanon ekero aira naiga Kenya niganyorete chibese tichiyo ase ikigancha babegete no musanyo ye ange chilifu 200 niko bono abasabire gose asabire bitabu byoborendi komo konya anyore chibesi cyo korengana nere aire gokora egasi ya nyumba amo no gusibya esese buno museketu kurwase county ya Nyamira Stephen Nyarike Mbunde aliganiye roboti urwase ubwimemoro asobotko bwabona yango turaligereri
Maiga yo kwenda ense ya maiko ya Lebanon asomwako 2023 Dorin Moranya kundi kurwanya Geita wodi ya umwaga moe bunge ya North Mugrango me ya Nyamira nigo ari no borobo nene maiga yo kumwege na umusani ya Choice Kirubo akomotigera chibesa ya account yo Choice mungainete nga yebeke rocking saving account egento konyora ikireje shiringi kiribo chimibere hasekorende wikabona igekerera nete Kenya atanyorete besende yonsi
Dorin Moranya kundi na chete Lebanon 2023 na chete no musani ono kuru Joyce Kerubo kerna chete roto gakori gasu ya to gakori gaikira agandebi na chibes cha no bata sura agachenga mteitimbwa agandei asengubeka nabongo kugachira chibesa chidate yayendo merembe kingo kugachira chibesa chago tirende ngamo trust igonga mwege nagande yakombekera rocking saving echo nago chetuchikorusi bono ngabera ngacha ngaira nanga ngacha Nairobi ngabera ororo ngamuganya kororo renda chituchikorusi chibesa korwali kara ali agandebi esimya yachakira kolete shide mpesa hapo mtoto kakira tokata maybe ne mpesa hapo ikapata shida tikayache Kenya twende Safaricom tuligerelinge shida agacharinde tukaenda na tuenda tukanyora pesa njia no 20 tukanyora malieta umumuro mwabago soma bagatebo ne rubesti chibesa bakoro kina rusti gocha igo beriyo
Dorin Moranya Kundi oyu hosiretise naboigo ngina kobe barimo igo hatemire mukyoye bechinjira chionsi protota bese yaye yokorengana neji statement ya mpesa chikorokinga mura omwabo musani wa Choice Kerubo nere horuseti chibese cyo kirabwa to kwegena ngana irane Kenya iga heria genderi ubogima bwaye
moga natemire kuganyesa na kurumutinyo ikomina yagoteino familia ne uro yechibese cyo na kirire na turire bakabono iga ngaramba liko ngabana ngatete ante ye familia ne juba ingonya gongani tiagote ye familia yago tukwanira mumuro ya irani chibese naganyire baka narosi gianjandire sana jua kichibese cyo na chuka nategemete nimbwata abana ba minto timbwati ndenjire ndakore kurwa kwa mateso kaneteire konyora chibese cyo
Dorin oyu konyora gokorega siengongu ya nyumba nabo igogo ikago CBSS asensemo ya Lebanon igobona esokirie na gosaba yamate nyarekoba nabo ige bitabu yoborendi nyarekoba bikomonario mukageru ayu erio airaniriwe chibesa chiae echiakoreta sense ya Lebanon
ose ya nyumba gokora konya gotinyi gosibie bintu kobangusa sasikine torikolinda gero konya kuomaniku osibiore kwanyijanwa ese kwanyijanwa kwa yake perfume iko kwanyitalisko chachini ndo chibobe sana nachire gotema sinanyatire yashindikana twamanyane kindega igarende tukabobusani mono tukanjana tukanara na bono mpaka ngamwike ndalende sai Nairobi ari no amenye toro bonera konteina mumero mwabende gali kaji kungira ni chibesa mtatete bintu byabo bikunu kwani kungira ndi kuchibesa cyane wangire
Stephen Nyarikembonde Nyageita North Mogranko county ya Nyamira
Biamana museketo Stephen Nyarikembonde asokwaragania roboti kurase county ya Nyamira togoswase county ya Kisii Sara Nyaboke ngabekere gutwa ko bomugambi omuyebwe location ya Bosongo ritukuri rero asomo igokora miyege tige chigosori kya Gusii moigo yo nigora no mukonyi bo commissioner wensemo ya Kisii Central Gladys Nyongesa amono MCA we ward ya Bobaracho Ibrahim Ngubo egati yabateneri bande boborendi imiye county ya Kisii korengana nungubo nigo amubolire omugambi Sara gotangana omonene bosyo erina lyo ararae abananchi buyase boigo abakwaneri bande bamuganiria maya omugambi Sara asemirimo eyo achakire bere muno museketo Petuel Machini agotumanya gotuko bwabono Naso maiga bokumvekere gutwa mugambi muya we location ya Bosongo Madam Sara Nyaboke meye gatigia chigosori kya Gusii Nomaiga uraono mukonyi bo commissioner wensemo ya Kisii Central Madam Gladys Nyongesa omwemse bu wadi ya Bobaracho Ibrahim Ngubo igati abateneri bande boborindi me county ya Kisii
all stakeholders who have come here today to witness the inauguration of our new chief, Madam Sara Nyaboke. Mimi nilikuwa msajili wa ndoa katika kaunti ya Trans Nzoia kwa miaka hii. Nimeukaribisha ndoa zaidi ya 850 wote wamekaa wakiwa na furaha. Leo hii nimekuja kuhitimisha na nimewakaribisha mbele yenu. Tusimame.
Korengana no muskongobo nigo amuborire mugambi Sara gutanganya monene bosyo eryo nari ararahe abananchi buya.
Nami nataka kusema ya kwamba ulizia Mungu akupe hekima awe ndani yako akufunulie mtu anapokuja kutoka huku unajua ni nini anataka alafu na wewe ufanye kulingana na uaminifu wa Mungu. Usiende kuongozwa na pesa. Ukiongozwa na pesa hiyo kazi itaishia hapo. Manake Mungu atatoroka atakuacha peke yako na hutaweza kuongoza binadamu.
Na kubwatikana no botutukano wechimbe bwabire bokwenike wasensemo iyo ebebekaino bogetutu na nyari badi chache nigongubo aganire botoero na ko mugambi chinga kichinyororo kora ere gukora emechando ao himeyoro gongoro rwa Bosongo.
Sijui leo hii imefika wapi mama the first lady to be achieve. Tuanze sisi viongozi wa siasa kufanya siasa kwenda kwa mama ambaye kazi yake sio siasa, ni kuja kuangalia mambo ya usalama na kuchunga watu wetu. Hatustahili kuingia hapo. Sisi ndio tunastahili kuwa wa kwanza kumpongeza mama. Ndio sababu mimi nimekuja hapa kusema wacha mama akae kwa hiyo ofisi, na yeye akae aongoze, tuone wamama wanatupeleka namna gani. Sasa ofisi imeingiwa na mama, si tumwombea sisi wote mama atuongoze. Na mnajua hii tauni kuna mambo mengi. Nimesikia wengine wakisema mambo ya bangi iko pombe. Kisa kama hiyo ya vile chama na komiti aliongea. Hayo mambo yote huwa yatatulizwa na machiefs na manaibu wao. Wakati sisi wananchi pia tumeshirikiana pamoja tuwasaidie.
Asibuiga bakwandira bande bamuganiria maya mugambi Sara asemermeya chaka Benerick Kuria rero.
Hii safari si safari rahisi na si mteremko. Kama wangefungua roho wakwambie barabara iko na tiba, iko na pumps nyingi, ukiamua utaingia.
Madam Sara, usisahau kukumbuka siku ya leo. Pastor alisema ulimuita wakati ulikuwa una apply. Wacha shetani asikuje uanze kujipiga kifua. Usituaibishe Sara kama si mimi. Hao watu wote wamekuja hapa, wakikuja kwa ofisi yako uwashughulikie mpaka watu wakusonga waridhike. Sawa sawa.
Chiefs and assistant chiefs, you work at your home areas. So if you don't serve your people well, wakati unastaafu unaona aibu kuishi kwa hiyo kijiji. So you have no choice but to do what? To serve your people with integrity.
Kwa ripoti ya Ensoko TV kure kaunti ya Kisii, Chempethuel Machin.
Biamano Musakit Petwel Machida so kwa ni roboti rukumurikira haya gwatikirine chiseme kurase county ya Nyamira chiskuru awime county ya Nyamira aseri tukoria kane asongoswe grade kirige 10 niko mubaromoke ogendera tekwene kiwa chiskuru nigabatenelebe chiskuru baborigwe ose babori abo ibo koira borokiwa ase eskuru eli barangeiri abuno Musakito Steve Nyarike Mbonde agendera tekoya murikira kurase county ya Nyamira.
Ase rituko ya kane chiskuru ao ni wachitaraikirani ao mubaro moikiranu wa grade 10 ase boigo chiskuru ao chabere goikabono chikorikia mubaro moke bwa borokwa bagoso wa grade 10 ase skuru ya mura ya Kibirigo Boys URNC ya C1 yogotoka ase wodi ya Bunyamatuta ebunge ya West Mugrango ya Nyamira igogwetera umwarimu monene Clement Nyangacha arero bokongu bwabera roro ase grade 10 asaba ibori bataranyora boikiranu ebisabu heri ko bareta aborokiwa baba ase skuru korengano mubaro betu ne serikali
skuru bare 363 ni namba yetu natua kagere tumwako natua kanyara wana ni 550 ekero kurusa ni wako na mtotera pia wana kangi 120 gatonyaro kasto atakete wana wote namba yetu kendereka tora obe korana government ni yaba ete motoka tano igakurumande mpaka Friday mambia abana bambaje baje school batie muchanga twaro munene gase admissions ya grade 10 mangana ye transfer
nguru kwa Clement Nyangacha chief principal Kibirigo Boys High School biamono muraria ndatebenga litagani tegangira ni asa biamono asenga chira matokeo twanyora yo mwako rio era ndaite by brief ya matokeo makia abana bakorete tubata abana 377 igo mini ito yare 8.313 Gorende okiginda nagani batebi ndoto ate problem ke 8.8 8.3
aye ase skuru ya secondary ya Bosiango iyo gotoka iwodi ya Bogichore bunge ya West Mugrango boigo igo ibwate mochando yoyo asaborokiwa babeire bataraikirana boikiranu asumubaromoke inse yaborokiwemya ikabono baikira ase skuru eyo gento kerense yekerengo kiria betu ne serikali
ase abana ba grade 10 ndoga saini ko receive abana be kabono ege buna to ko kwana bono ega abana ba chirange 25 Baracha bonsi but imbaga saini ko report. We are expecting an increasing number kuikira mambi.
Lakini ase grade 10 ndoche okoswa abana bakakolinze sana okorana uchumi neminete abantu abanga uchumi ya Kenya, lakini abayibulitika baleta abana elinde banyara ko babagosoma.
Ase eskuru ya Nyakiure Secondary yegotoka ase wodi ya Bunyamatuta nigo baigo babwate umuchando yuo bwo mubaro moke.
Njinja Somusa, Chief Principal Nyakiure Secondary School. Grade 10, the government gave us 297 students, and so far the report is staggering. Mekuja pole tangu Monday, but as by today, I can confidently say that we have around 150 students.
Ase wodi ya Kerenyo bunge ya North Mogrango ase skuru ya Care Mixed nigo baigo ebicha ere yueyo kero aborokiwa bataraikirana abo ikirano ase grade 10 ase bono basabira abayibori kwangoya eri kobareta aborokiwa bachake gosoma umuroberi oyo senior school.
Asa admission ya grade 10 no twanyorido umuchanda moke ase minjo abana bakaribu cha ngora igogo na rotimanyiti na sababu niri lakini nabokoranga isaro tanam ase school yiga igotua abana se system gobari 81 lakini our report currently they are 20. We have 11 boys and 9 girls. But they report daily, although the number is very low. Like today, we only received 1. So that is the position as for today.
Stephen Nyarikemonde, Soko TV, county ya Nyamira.
Korwa se county ya Nyamira weka se county ya Kisii yo kabiro mu waziri w'ekiseme Ezekiel Machogu mbaki nigo atangaine asiganga yo kurigekero kyubu gabara se county ya Kisii korengana no mutenelio monene bw'ekyumbe bya Center for African Progress CAP Ontario yeyo kukwara chinga kicho kubwat koroboti oruo nigo oyeyo atebire buna ayonkorengana no gusangirira berengera likurwa sabantu wetanchiri wisato ase county ya Kisii. Machogu niga atangene ase kerengo kya 30 kianda chinga ky'umugabana uikaranste simbarati aruyo kabere ne kerengo kya 32 abandi barase erombeyo ngamono mu wakili Lumumba Nyaberi no yo kabero mu bisomo nene asinya gitari ya Katie Harech Daktari Enoch Ondari.
Bono tuwabole tiaba gusiba ito ege ndeke nene kabisa geko basumbwa nkere kieke bakatotebege ndeke nene kabisa ne economy mangana y'uchumi abantu 27 seligana go 28% batebetege ndeke nene kabisa geko basumbwane ne mangana y'echibesa uchumi egento gya kabere batebetenga ekere infrastructure 19% egento bona chipara mangana bona yiga chidaraja egento gya kabere nekero kinko basumbwa kere. So ase obotukiobo tuwabole tia abantu chiele fuisato bali belikire wakachikura bali babwate bitambulisho na voters cards abona bato wakaliki tuwabole tia mangana yayiga egera bono mbu yakanyoro obo amangana kurwa sabantu bali bakwenda wakachikura toko boli bantu bande bonsi nabantu abachiele fuisato bakabaganwa si constituency chionsi ipikia kianda balafu toko babana bakase chi ward asa mangana y'abantu bali baguchiko wakera chikura ebato tebeti monto motanga ni gaiga aliko already nyolete chikura chinyinge kabisa kwa support tuna banta bangi former CS Dr. Ezekiel Machogu wanyolete 39% kwa 39 30 na kianda asemia na rotanganite anyolete chikura 1000 ya emo emia na 1170 respondents bata chikura jizo wakulero nere bagwakira yere 39% umuntu kabere galenge simbarati oyonyolete 960 kose 32% 32 asemia Dr. Ndari agacho yo gatatu abwate 9.2%. Alafu Nyaberi akanywera 120 gose 4%. Abantu 11.23% bato tebeti mbara hamua. Ebyo mane binge birenseye. Ntobwate DCP, ntobwate KANU, ntobwate DAP, ODM nero, UDA nero, UPA ngerororo. Nkiamaki abantu barabange. Etwate betwe kiama bagusi barabange ekekoro UPA. Kenya walete 27%. Meronge bera naisa na ibere asemia. Ekiama gya kabere ne kiama gya gashagwa gekoro ku DCP. Kenya walete 24%. Meronge bere nainye asemia. Ekiama gya gatatu no DM 15% ne kiama gya kane UDA 13%. Ebibinde go chinse byanyo walete chinke Jubilee ke bwata 4% na Ford Kenya ke bwata 6%. Alafu ne byoma binde bikekenya soje.
Aborokiwa bu Burundi bwe chindege bense ya Kenya nigo bare ne kibakugokera mayiga yuchakiwa ku murubiri bwo konyora mayigerio ubwatrati ensengima aseganga yuko kini ubumanyi bwabo engane gucha kubairera konyora ama uko yo gukora imirimo andonsi getambukirekyo nigo bono kerengete guchigo keyo mubaro bwa borokia ubusibwa aborokiwa bagutigera kisemi inchera.
So with us, we discussed with the Chinese and we told them that let us make it whereby when the students come there, the parents are able to pay. For 2 years program, I'm sure the Kenyan parents will be able to do that very, very much comfortably. But for 4 years or 5 years, you find sometimes the parents may struggle. A parent will take a student overseas, hoping that maybe things will work out, only to realize for one reason or another, things are not working out as expected. And then you find that because of the lack of fee payment, the kid can't continue with the program. And when the kid can't continue the program, the kid will need to survive. Now, in this case, we give the young people an opportunity whereby that element of loneliness in a foreign country is cancelled out because they have their fellow brothers, sisters that they are joining with them. So when they reach Chenyang Aerospace University, they have brothers and sisters, friends that they were in the same class in Kenya Nautical College, because when we airlift them, we are taking about 15 people, 20 people, 10 people at the same time. So when they get to China, they have at least 10 or 15 or that kind of a number that they've been with in class in Kenya. So that element of loneliness is out.
The expenses, the quality of education, and the opportunities of finding a good job can be very well satisfied. So I quite believe that this collaboration will be very successful, and the students, and this collaboration will be very attractive to students here in Kenya.
Kenya is a growing tourist destination, and a lot of the students from the past, they want to pursue the aviation sector. One of the sector, what I definitely think and what China is promoting heavily, especially in UAE, is low altitude economy. That is the drone technology. What I truly believe that Kenya would heavily benefit if we learn from NUA regarding the drone technology.
Daktari Murai wense William Samuel Ruto niga asemerie abasae koba no kwigena asekereke mu bagakora eri gusuka busyo na kowe na kwegendereria asubwe garuru kubore guchia sebaria bagakora siasa gwitira emeroberi ya serikali ekoreta eri gusira abakenya mono asumuruberio obono umenyekaini buna nyota gutigana na siasa enyinge. Ruto niga yakuwa naya asumuruberio gatano na rimo bokwena na chibesa tia nyota guchia sabasae be county ya Machakos, Makueni na Kitui asomusangerekano uyu akorekana ime yegetige chigosori kia Machakos.
I really appreciate, and I want to persuade you, please, good people, believe in yourselves. Mtu asikuambie huwezi, mtu asikuambie ni kidogo, mtu asikuambie hawezekani. Tell them it is possible and I am going to succeed. Mujiamini, believe in yourselves, you're going to succeed. Na tutawaombea Mungu awasaidie so that each and every one of you succeeds. Shilingi 50,000 utapata. Tutakusupport. Tutakuhakikisha ya kwamba tunafuatilia. Ukishafanya biashara yako unaweza kusonga. Tuko na pesa ingine unaweza kukopa. Hii ni pesa sio ya mkopo. This 50,000 is money the people of Kenya, the government of Kenya has given to you as a grant. Sio pesa utalipia. Lakini ukitoka hapo sasa unaweza kwenda kwa Hustler Fund. Unaweza kukopa 20,000, 50,000, 100,000 mpaka 150 kuongezea biashara yako. And I want to give you my assurance ya kwamba politics aside, we must move this country forward. And we need to work together.
Asante mwende mo waziri wekega nchekenene John Mbadi ni gairere buna serikali ni chikwene kibuna onsi ali komi arasoroboti Rwanda dikongo chiari wikirani wakorengana no kwigwana kuwa bege twega tyo murai bwense William Ruto na nyagose Raila Odinga ase nkwane ya chingaki aumerana na banya committee au bakorigereria roboti Rwanda diko ase obisi ya yasamaga chekega nchekenene giense Nairobi nigabolire abanya committee abo buna na chekubwatira na barabwo mono asamangana abwatkenene chibesa buna korigereria ayabwatkenene sira yense gotinya obokorari which county chibesa cha NGCDF na boigo asekiganje kerikia affirmative action.
But let me give you my honest opinion. NGCDF committee, let's look for a way of entrenching that man. I am not likely to be an MP again. Not likely. In this world you can't rule out anything. But the way things are, I don't think it is in my. But I would tell you, I have interacted with NGCDF, e-pesa, whether we change the modeling or what, how would you let it remain? And the same with affirmative action. Mimi pesa yote inaenda kwa grassroots. I have no problem with. In terms of finalizing the transfer of the valid functions, I think we have made tremendous progress in terms of unbundling the functions. I'll tell you, this government has done quite a lot. A lot of the things that appeared like the government, the national government was unwilling to do, we have done. And we are now doing the costing, that intergovernmental body is very busy. They have done, and we are ready to follow functions with money, with the resources. We have told them, unbundle, host them, give it to us. The money will follow the functions. In terms of moving the money or shareable revenue to 20% of all revenue collected, I think here I agree. We need to amend the constitution to say of all the revenue collected in the previous year, as opposed to the last audited and approved accounts. Because if we go by that, by the way, we are releasing 21, 22%, not even 15%. But if you go to the last audited revenue, then the percentage comes down. Like last year, it was 2.4, so we should be transferring 480 billion to the counties, but we are proposing to do 420. And 420, you will also agree with me, is an enhancement. Remember this financial year, we increased the allocation to counties with more than 30 billion in one single year, the highest I think ever. So that was, and this is the first time I think since devolution began, when division of revenue was concluded in a record.
Byamano mwanchumo riri bensoko TV asukubatia maya ase chinse chiga isato chiabono butukuna wikirabo na tuwikira omwerio bwa maya ase obwikira no ase obutuko bwiga wikeria ngo chakara chinse 12 cheke mambia wika chinse nye no chikomera na ose chinsa isato ne nusu no chikomera na amonere no sentio nyango na Diana Nemo asumuru bensoko bwa kire na baadaye no chikoba amona inchiko chakara chinse nye wika isano Nemo asumuru rweto rubiri ase liankio tora chikomolekera egero yo murubiri oyoiga bwo kwena na chibe sa inse yo murubiri umanyakaine buna nyota ndochikoba no mobisa kurase county ya Kisii oyiboigo ubwate libaga lyokoligereria nabwo gushulikira mangana anga buna ajaiga asabono nakuganira ubutukubya wekeria nkyo reteriana Ishmael Mogere.
Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso Bumugusi.